Hi everybody. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Verna Mullen from StampinNotes.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I'm located in Western New York State, outside of a little town called Canisteo. And I want to share with you my Sweet Notes Card Club, the December monthly cards, and tell you a little bit about it. This month's card club will feature the Eden's Garden stamp set. It has beautiful sentiments in it, distinctive stamps, gorgeous stamp set. And here are the 4 cards. Here's one, and as you can see, that's got embossing on it. All the embossing and die cuts will already be done for you. You will get envelopes, and you will get everything's pre-cut. If I put this month will not have designer series paper included in the $20 worth of free product, so I will already have that cut for you. So what is a little more special about this month is the Eden's Garden stamp set is going to be part of that free $20, and you're getting a little more this month because it's my way of saying Merry Christmas. So you will get all of the supplies to make 4 different designs, 8 cards, 2 of each. You will get the stamp set, and you will get a pack of gems for $42. That includes priority shipping, also a PDF tutorial, and a video tutorial. It's my way of saying Merry Christmas, and I hope you have a Happy New Year. So if you are interested, email me at vernastamps@gmail.com. or you can always message me too. So if you already have the Eden's Garden stamp set, but you would still like to participate in the class, just let me know, and I will substitute another stamp set that you want for the same value. It's $23. So just let me know if you would like that substituted. So again, if you're interested in December Sweet Notes Card Club, email me at vernastamps@gmail.com. It'll be fun. Take care.